Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure Waze can use your GPS and run in the background, otherwise routes lag and ETA is wrong. Once done, sign in or continue as guest and save home and work so future trips are one tap. Now tap the search bar or press the mic to speak the address. This starts routing immediately. Make sure your phone's volume for voice directions is up, because audible prompts reduce distractions and help you focus on driving. Once a destination is selected, Waze shows route options with ETA. Tap to compare the fastest versus the shorter path, and use options to avoid tolls or highways if needed. Make adjustments in settings to prefer highways or avoid ferries, and toggle carpool routes if available. While navigating, watch traffic color bands and suggested alternates. Waze reroutes automatically when it detects faster traffic patterns. Also, report incidents you see so the app improves for everyone. Tap Report and follow the prompts. You now follow Waze turn-by-turn voice and lane guidance. Pay attention to distance countdowns and the next turn preview so you don't miss exits. When you arrive, tap Park or Stop driving to end navigation and save the trip if desired. If something goes wrong, like GPS drifting or no route recalculation, try toggling location services, force closing and reopening the app, or switching to GPS-only mode in settings. These steps usually restore satellite lock and immediate rerouting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.